A personal injury attorney is an attorney who specializes in helping individuals and their families who have been injured or killed as a result of the negligence or wrongdoing of another party. Sometimes it's easy to know if you have a case. For instance, in a rear-end automobile accident or in an unprovoked dog bite situation. However, even in a seemingly straightforward kind of a case like that, sometimes the law or the situation will preclude you from having a viable case. Obviously, in a more complicated case, such as a medical malpractice matter, product liability, or a construction accident situation, the facts and the situations dictate whether a case exists or not, and it's important to have a experienced personal injury attorney to know whether or not a case actually exists, not only to determine if a case exists, but to protect your rights if you do have a case. Most personal injury cases in Michigan resolve within 1 or 2 years, and obviously most cases resolve by way of settlement. In the more complicated cases, as we've been talking about, for instance, in medical malpractice situations, construction accidents, or seriously contested death cases, these cases require prolonged and protracted litigation and often exceed 2 years before the defendants come to the table and are willing to consider a settlement. Either Vince Colella, my partner, or I will personally be handling every single case that is accepted. We have a team of attorneys who work with us directly on those cases. The file is opened and we begin the investigation process, gathering the medical records, police records, or any other important information to advance the case. First and foremost, it's very important that you respect the attorney who you hire, that you can trust the lawyer that you hire, and that that lawyer has a proven track record to advance your case. It's important, and with today's information highway, people can go online and do reviews, look at reviews, and you should also check the verdict results and settlement results that any personal injury attorney has, because you want to know that the attorney that is going to represent you is experienced and is a tenacious advocate for you. Myself personally, I'm in my 38th year of practice. I started at a much smaller, unique personal injury firm which no longer exists. Vince Colella actually was one of the attorneys working for me at that firm, and when we left 25 years ago, we made it our decision that we were going to have a powerful personal injury firm dedicated to representing individuals and families of personal injury. In fact, our motto at Moss Colella has been, if you can't afford to lose, hire Moss Colella. We believe, Vince and I believe, that every client deserves to win. What sets Moss Colella apart from other firms is that Vince and I are personally involved in every single case that this firm accepts. Unlike a lot of firms that might take a case and refer it out to another firm, at Moss Colella, Vince Colella and David Moss personally handle every single case. Of course, we have our team of attorneys who assist us on every file, but it's the personal attention to detail, and undying commitment to reaching the best possible result for every case, because every case is an individual case. Well, I've been on the board of directors for the Detroit Downtown Boxing Gym Association. That's a 501c3 nonprofit organization that helps inner city Detroit youth with educational opportunities, athletic opportunities, and basic life opportunities. It's a personal passion of mine. The program now assists 170 Detroit youths every single day. It has a track record of graduating every single child that has gone through the program and has been in existence for over 15 years now. When I was a little bit younger and my own children were younger, I was a Boy Scout scoutmaster with my son, who's an Eagle Scout, and As a result of, more currently, as a result of a particular case I'm involved in right now, it's an unfortunate death case. I'm involved with the Get To Foundation that grows out of a young man who was unfortunately killed in a drunk driving situation, and Moss Colella is representing the family and currently litigating that case right now.